It's like the old saying, if you start chasing waterfalls, it will take you beautiful places. We can't photograph every waterfall. This road just keeps going upwards and upwards. There's no end to it. We're almost at the top to Hardangervidda. I think our spring, our left front spring beneath the tire has been busted. It keeps making these weird noises. So hopefully it will be okay. Eyes on the road. I think we reached the top. Just need to locate a parking space and then we'll be on our way to Valurfossen. It's a bit of a hike, maybe an hour each way, maybe less. Of course, I'm going to film on the way there, so it might take a bit more than an hour. But really looking forward to this little hike. It's a beautiful area. It's called Hardangervidda. So for future references, we may need to bring a tent next time and just continue inwards, because this road was incredible. This might be the best starting point I've ever seen for a hike. Petter, I think I found a place for us to start our hike. Just drive up here and just go inwards Hardangervidda and just fish every lake we find. Stop eating my car and you guys just watch him do this. Back home, when I started planning this trip, I had two waterfalls written down. The first one was Valurfossen and the second one was 𝐔𝐿𝐴𝐻. But when we arrived to 𝐔𝐿𝐴𝐻, that really was a lot more short process than I originally thought, because I thought we were gonna walk all the way up to it, and it turns out we didn't. But that little thing led us here towards Valurfossen, 900 meters straight up, and right now we're on Hardangervidda. Look at this. There's this unwritten rule in Norway that you shall never complain when it's sunny. But I gotta admit, it's very warm. Interesting fact, it hasn't been any rain on the west coast of Norway for over a month now. And I think you have to go back over 100 years before something like that has ever been recorded. This is very unusual weather. So because of the mini drought, there's absolutely no tolerance for any kind of fire or storm kitchen or any open fire, anything. And we have to respect that because it's really, really dry and the sun is really warm. But we have very beautiful nature. So why, you might ask, am I out looking for running waters in the driest month in the memory of man? Well, my friends, the answer is because of the snow melting. And if there's one thing you can rely on in Norway, is that highlands feature a lot of snow, and come spring and the warm weather, the snow melts the snow melts and creates very powerful waterfalls. So the heat has little to no affection on that. But the waterfalls do grow smaller as we're closing in on fall, if there's little rain. Bridge of Casa Doom. So we parked our car there and then we followed this trail, and that's the bridge we crossed, and there's our waterfall. So we've managed to go too far, so we need to go back over the bridge and continue on the trail and then follow this unmarked path to Valurfossen. So, bit too far, but at least we got to see a fantastic bridge.
Yes.
We thought something was wrong.
Maybe
so
we should have some food.
Yes, food. So we trailed back and found the path, and now behind me we can see the origin point of Valurfossen. So now we're just gonna go down and follow the river and then finally find the waterfall. All right, let's do this. This is Valurfossen. It's a horsetail waterfall, meaning it kind of goes over the edge. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna see if we can find a really cool image from the top. It's a very promising start, and I'm looking forward to see what's over the edge. Let's go find out. That is quite the sight. Again, we get the rainbow with the whipped water, and it's really, really beautiful. And I think I might be able to find a composition from here. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. That tree down there, that is my main subject. I'm including the rainbow on the right side and approximately here on the waterfall, which creates this massive blast area. I'm taking this image in horizontal mode, and when I get back home I'm gonna crop it. I'm gonna crop it quite heavily at the top and at the bottom, so I'm kind of making a panorama without making a panorama image. You get these beautiful, harsh, contrasty, wet rocks in the background, this beautiful sunbathing birch in the foreground, and that lovely rainbow, and that powerful, powerful Valurfossen to the left. So I think this is the image I'm going for. This sums up this entire waterfall for me. f4.0, 6,400 of a second. That should freeze every single drop in Valurfossen. And with this gorgeous backdrop behind me, I'm gonna say goodbye for this time. I hope you've enjoyed this Running Waters episode, 8th edition. It didn't turn out the way we planned, but with bad plans comes great films. So this has been an adventure for both of us, and we had so much fun doing this. Great company, great day, great location. We're at the middle of Hardangervidda, for crying out loud, and the sun is shining. You can't ask for more, you really can't. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps a lot and I really appreciate it. Also, if you will leave a comment down below, that also helps a lot, and I enjoy reading them, and I try to respond to every single one of them. So if you have any questions or you just want to say hi, please do. So thank you so much for this time. Take care of each other, and I'll see you next Thursday with a brand new adventure. Until then, ha det fint alle sammen.
A quick update before I go. I recently finished my website and added a feature which enables you to order prints from me online. So if you like my images and want to support my content here on this channel, consider buying one of my 6 available images. I'll leave a link to my website down below in the show notes. On the site I explain what items you will receive when ordering one of my prints, and I explain how to order it. Alright, thanks for listening and take care of each other. We'll speak soon. Cheers.